Arts Nova Art and Craft. Art and Craft Shop with Arts and there.
Hi friends, I am Jagan from Rajnoho Arts and Crafts. Today I am going to show you about the tanjure painting cone making paper, how it is used and where are they are used. So to make a cone, it is very easy with this paper. You have to just take this masking tape. Senior artists, teachers, manufacturers and many other people who are in the hobby of tanjure painting making, they use thick plastic papers, milk pouch, thick plastic covers, Fevicol bottles, even oil bottles they use, and they even bring very big results also in them. Hats off to them. But this cone paper is very thin and easy to cut also like this. We have got a good positive response from our customers who have used this cone paper. On their request, we are posting this video. You can see here we have to stick the masking tape like this in such a way that one end of the paper should paste automatically the other end of the paper inside, and you can see here how we have pasted it inside like this. You have to make sure the full end of the tape is pasting the other end of the cone paper. Why we are using like this is the paste will not spill or get leaked away in high pressure while using the cone. Now comes the main criteria, that is the point of the cone. You have to be very careful while making the point of the cone. Just swirl the cone in one direction with other finger rotating the point. Then you will be getting a sharp minute point, and you have to stick the masking tape around the point. You can even use cello tape, but this tape will give a very good grip when you are working with wet hands. And secondly, when leakage happens, sometimes the plastic cello tape will come away when compared to this masking tape. Now the cone is ready to put the paste in it. You can see how these sharp points are looking like a rocket. And this is the muck paste. You can prepare muck paste in two types. One is thick paste and another one is water paste. Thick paste is for designing purpose and water paste is for base work. You can get this muck paste directly from our store. Swirling like this ensures a good pressure on the tip of the cone. Finally, the head is pasted with the masking tape. You can see here on the other side of the cone some leakage is happening. That is, the cone is prepared with high pressure, so after you cut it, the paste will pierce out with even a less pressure applied on it. We are also coming up with a preparation of muck paste in the next video. In that we will show manufacturing process of watery paste and thick designing muck paste. So now it is ready. This thick designing cone should be quite short for easy designing, and watery base cone should be always big as it covers larger area. You can even store it in a airtight container for best results. Don't keep it on open air as the paste may get dry. Instant preparation of cone give a very best result than stored cone. Cut the sharp point in 0.1 or 0.2 mm thickness even for the water based cone. After cutting, please check it in a rough board before using in main board. Then only you can know this water based cone is ready or not. So in the final end of the video, I will be showing how this water based cone is used in tanjure painting, and this one is the thick design cone. Now it is getting ready in the rough board. Try many different rough strokes, design strokes on the rough board before going to the main board. This is how the watery cone base is used in tanjure painting. Just with little agitation, the cone is now flowing like a falls. And even between the stones also you can use this easily. This cone paper has given very good convenient result for us than the milk pouch. You can see how this thick designing cone also is working. Very best results you can get in all directions, even swirls, round, oval, square, tilakam, all the designs you can put easily with this thick design cone. For all the Tanjore painting materials, just WhatsApp us and you will be getting regular updates of this video only by subscribing our channel. So kindly do subscribe our channel. If you think this video quite informative, please do like this video and share to your friends who are in need of Tanjore painting material.